You might be wondering if your dose needs to change. Maybe the weight loss has slowed. Maybe your hunger feels different. Maybe you're just not as motivated as before. So it's tempting to think you might need more medication. But before you jump to a dose change, let's look at what hasn't changed yet. Because sometimes it's not the dose, it's the daily habits. Here are 3 mindset shifts that will help you figure out if it's really the dose or if it's time to check your routines. Shift 1. The dose is support, not the solution. Your GLP-1 medication is a tool. It helps quiet the food noise, manage appetite, and create space for better choices. But it's not a shortcut. It's a support system. The real change, that's all you. Shift 2. Habits build momentum, not milligrams. I want you to ask yourself, are you walking consistently? Are you fueling your body with what it needs? Are you getting enough sleep, hydration, and protein? Dose adjustments can't replace consistency. They only amplify it. Shift 3. Chasing adjustments keeps you distracted. If you're always tweaking the plan, it's hard to stay rooted in it. Sometimes we keep adjusting the dose because we don't want to face the discomfort of repetition. But results don't come from changing the plan. They come from sticking to it. Drop a shot emoji in the comments if you've realized it's not about the dose, it's about your consistency. And I want you to tell me, what's one habit you're doubling down on this week? And remember, we can share our journeys, but we should never compare them. Bye.